I'm Paul Tapier at SEMA 2017, the Lund International booth in the South Hall of Las Vegas Convention Center with my good pal now, Carlos, because we've gone over a whole lot of products. This one, I get the idea you're most excited about this top.
Oh, we definitely are. So Bushwacker, who's known for flares, who changed the market by coming out with aluminum flares and has, I would say, probably cornered the market of flares, has now set their sights on something even better. So now we're going with soft tops. We went out and looked at all the soft tops out there, and we figured we can up that. We can make it a lot better. So what we did is we came out with a slant back version of our soft top. We went with a twill material, which is a 3-layer twill material. It's finished on the inside, kind of like you see on the higher end convertible vehicles.
Sure.
It's a nicer finish, not necessarily the old rugged Jeep look. And then we went with a 40 mil plastic window, which is the thickest out in the industry that's out there compared to our competitors.
Only my trash bags work that well.
Exactly. And one of the other cool things is we have a dual feature on this. So if you can just imagine, we zip out all 3 windows, store them in the back. We can fold this front section forward, fold this rear section to the center, and all we're going to have is a centerpiece covered, which we'll show you right now. So there's no reason to ever take your top off. Not like the old days where you just fold it back and mess with all that clunky hardware. Here, once you remove all these pieces and you fold this, basically just this sound bar is going to be covered with the top, and you have open air. If you run into elements and you run into some rain, in about 10 minutes you can be covered up again.
Wow, so it's not only ease of installation and then set up, put it down, set it up, but it's the quality of all the materials.
Agreed, exactly. So we took the best of both worlds. Quality, appearance, and functionality, and put it all under one brand, which is Bushwacker.